Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever found yourself in that frustrating moment when you realize you have accidentally deleted important files from your USB drive, or maybe even formatted the entire things by mistake, then trust me, I know exactly how you feel. You can start panicking, wondering if all those cherished photos, important documents or project files are gone forever. But hey, I have got some great news for you. There is a way to get it all back. So stick around until the end of this video and you will be able to recover your lost data quickly and easily using a simple and free tool. So let's get started. Today I am going to show you a fantastic tool called Share 4D Dig Windows Data Recovery that can help you recover your deleted or formatted files for free. This software is super easy to use and I will guide you through the whole process step by step so that you can get your valuable data back. So first head over to this website. I have provided the link down in the description for you, okay? I know what you are probably thinking. Why use this software instead of going to the professional recovery service? Well, professional recovery service can cost hundreds of dollars. Plus, you may have to hand over your private files to someone you don't even know. 4D Dig offers a much easier and cost-effective solution. You can recover your data by yourself. And they even provide a free version. Here it's clearly mentioned that you can recover up to 2 GB of data absolutely free. But there is a simple trick to it. But don't worry, I will show you everything as we go along, okay? Here you can see it's a free data recovery software that works for any data loss scenario. It can recover deleted files, files from an empty recycle bin, accidentally formatted drives, raw file system, corrupted memory cards, lost partition, hard drives and many more. If you scroll down further, you will see that 4D Dig Data Recovery is designed to recover data on both Windows as well as Mac from many different storage devices. This includes PC, laptops, servers, digital camera, hard disks, USB drive, SDCF card, CD, DVD and even drones. It can also recover over 2000 file types from any storage device, including photos, videos, audio files, documents, email and much more. It's completely free to recover up to 2 GB of data. Okay, so if you need to recover more than that, you can choose to upgrade to the Pro version. They offer different plans, 1 month, 1 year and even the lifetime option. So you can pick what works best for you, okay? But honestly, I think 2 GB is usually enough to recover your important data. They previously used to offer only 500 MB of free as far as I know, but now they have increased it to 2 GB, which is a great improvement. So let's start download this file. So click on free download option. As you can see, it's a very small file, only a few MB. So it will download quickly. Once it downloaded, I will go ahead and install it, okay? So the installation might take a little time. Once it installed, a desktop icon will appear like this. Now I am going to do some practical testing to see if this really works. So I am going to run through the process step by step and check if I can recover my lost files. So let's dive in and find out together. For that I am going to connect my USB drive first. Once it opens, you can see I have stored different types of data on it, like audio, video, image, documents and PowerPoint files. And also I have named them like test audio, test video and so on for easier identification. And the total size is around 670 MB. Now I am going to delete all those files and also empty the recycle bin so they are permanently deleted, okay? After that, as you can see, my USB drive is completely empty now. That means all my important files are gone. Next, I will show you how you can use 4D Dig to recover those files that were lost, okay? So double click on this shortcut to open 4D Dig. Once it opens, you will see a list of available drives, including the external media I have connected. And on the left side, you also have the option to select an SD card if you are trying to recover data from that, okay? So there are also advanced recover option and the corrupted file recovery features, which you can use if needed. Now comes to the very important part I have mentioned earlier, that there is a little trick to get the full 2 GB recovery for free. So all you need to do is click on the share button in the top right corner and share the text to Facebook or Twitter, okay? So here I'm going to share this to my Facebook. It's super easy and honestly it's worth it because the tool is really helpful. By sharing you can also help others learn about it. Okay, so once the share is successful, 4D Dig will allow you to recover up to 2 GB of data completely free. You can see here the message that shows congrats, you got an extra 1.5 GB of data recovery for free. That means previous 500 GB plus now I got 1.5 GB by sharing those files. That means total 2 GB of data completely free. Okay. Now I am trying to recover lost data from my USB drive. So I will select the USB drive and then click on it. Immediately a new page will open asking what type of files do you want to recover. Since I know what type of data I am after, so I am going to select photo, video, document and audio. Once selected, I need to click on scan selected file types. Now it will begin scanning the drives. Depending on the size of the USB and the amount of data, this might take a few minutes. So just be patient. You can even see a progress bar to keep track of the scan. Once the scan is completed, click on OK. When it's done, you will see a list of all recoverable files. This is where the free file preview features comes in handy. You can click through and make sure your files are there and check their integrity before deciding to recover them. Okay. So now here I can see my document, photo and even video, all recoverable. So now simply select the files that you want. Once you have made your decision, click on recover. After that it will ask you to choose a location to save the recovered data. So I will select desktop from the drop down list and I will also check the box that says saves all file to one folder. Then finally click on save now. And again it will ask, do you want to repair corrupted files while recovering? Simply just click on recover only. And immediately after that the data recovery process will start. It might take some time depending on the volume of data you are recovering. So just wait until it finishes recovering all the files you have selected. Okay. Once the recover process is finished, let's check to see if everything worked. And there you have it. All my files are back safe and sound. Is that easy? Just remember, once you have recovered your files, go ahead and open them one by one to ensure they are all working fine. So now I am opening my photo, video, audio and document now, and you can see everything is perfect. I can't tell you how happy I am to have this file back. I remember when I first recovered my very important project file that I accidentally lost by formatting my USB drive. That experience was so stressful. And that's why I wanted to make this video to help you recover your files too. So I hope you found this guide helpful. Data loss can be super frustrating, but luckily with tools like Share 4D Dig, you can take control of the situation yourself. So go ahead and download the free version of 4D Dig and start recovering your lost files today. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and drop a comments below if you have any question or issue. I am always happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.